Further down the property from where I first saw it. That's where it comes out onto the road and washes across. This one that we walked and said there would be a seasonal flow here. There's just no wind. Got a hell of a view. You go right to these sagebrush and the wind is crazy. In fact, if you look, you can see the sagebrush moving. Over here, nothing. Made sense till now. They've kind of tugged around trees here and there. It takes a definite curve uphill now that you know.
In the rosiest of days, can I find a way to say I am who I am? And you cannot sing along, the melody's not long, but it's fine, it's just fine. And the days are getting on, I'm feeling a little old, and I'm honestly a little worried about it. And the days are getting on, guess it's time. Gotta find a way to make a set of changes. I don't mind, but I mind. And I gotta find a way to make a set of changes. I don't mind, but you know I don't mind. And I gotta find a loop, the melody's not long, but it's fine, it's just fine. The days are getting on, I'm feeling honestly, little word about that. The days are getting on. I have you. Push me down the waterfall. I may have my doubts. Ride me down the snowy hill. In the end I'll figure it out. As the days are getting on, I'm feeling a little low, and I'm honestly a little worried about it. The days are getting on.